Helo, shwmai, pnawn da chi. Croeso nôl, gobeithio chi gael hwyl arni bore yma, gobeithio bod y cinio wedi bod yn iawn, cyfle I rwydweithio. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your morning workshops and did a little bit of networking over lunch. Now, before we go any further, I'd like to reintroduce one of our guests this morning. Keith Towler was with us this morning, of course, in a wonderful presentation. Keith, I think you're back with us. Thank you so much for this morning, but I think you've got an announcement, yes, about the quality mark for youth work in Wales. So over to you.
Brilliant. Thanks ever so much. Really appreciate it. Yep, this is the time in the conference where under normal circumstances, we would be celebrating the achievements of those who have successfully gained the quality mark for youth work in Wales. We've not been in a position to do this really since 2019, and even now, of course, we're not able to celebrate in the way we would normally by asking the organisations I'm about to name to join me on the stage. However, I want to take this time to congratulate the organisations who've undertaken the quality mark assessments over the last year, and in your own room or office, wherever you are, give these people a round of applause. Some of you will be very familiar with the quality mark, but for those of you who are not, the quality mark is a tool for self-assessment, planning and improvement, a series of quality standards that provides a framework for quality assurance to help demonstrate to both the organisations and those accessing their services that they're delivering high quality youth work, which helps young people to reach their full potential. So we could have the first slide, please. The quality mark is split into 3 levels, with each level building on the previous level. Next slide, please. At the bronze level, organisations must be able to demonstrate they are helping young people to be safe and to thrive. The standards consider performance management, quality of youth work practice, young people's learning and development, and legal requirements. The bronze level is a fantastic way for organisations to start to look at themselves and be confident that they're meeting the requirements to provide robust, high quality services for young people, and their organisation structure is fit for that purpose. Slide 3, please. We have a number of organisations who've been successful in either renewing their bronze level quality mark or gaining it for the first time. So this is where you need to start clapping. Those organisations who are renewing their awards are Rhondda Taff Youth Engagement and Progression Service, Conway Youth Service, the Vale of Glamorgan Youth Service, Pembrokeshire Youth Service, Cardiff YMCA, and Neath Port Talbot Youth Service. I can hear those applause ringing in my ears. Next slide, please. The organisations who've achieved the bronze level for the first time, so the first time they're getting the quality mark: Dr. M's Carmarthen Youth Project, the Boys and Girls Clubs of Wales, Next Generation, Gwent Police Cadets, St John's Ambulance, Cymru Youth Division, Wrexham County Borough Council, Powys Youth Service, and the Welsh Centre for International Affairs. Next slide, please. Moving on to the silver level. At this level, the standards aim to demonstrate the service involves young people, it's inclusive and accessible, and is offered by trained staff. At this level, it really is all about being able to demonstrate that young people are at the heart of everything that you do. Slide 6, please. For renewals, I would like to congratulate Pembrokeshire Youth Service, and for new awards, congratulations go to Carmarthenshire Youth Service and the Duke of Edinburgh Awards Wales. Slide 7. Finally, I would like to turn to the gold level quality mark. At this level, the standards seek to ensure that the organisation is managing their resources to meet the needs of young people. This includes celebrating young people's achievements and progress, as well as having effective partnerships to deliver the best possible services to meet the needs of young people. Slide 8, please. At this level, again, we have a very small amount of organisations who've been successful in achieving the gold level quality mark. Firstly, though, huge congratulations to Pembrokeshire Youth Service for their renewal. Some of you will have noticed that they've reviewed all 3 of their quality marks in the last years. A fabulous achievement. Well done to everybody involved at Pembrokeshire Youth Service. And new awards go to the Duke of Edinburgh, Wales, and Cardiff YMCA. Fantastic achievement for both organisations. And on to the last slide, please. Huge congratulations to all organisations who've been successful at gaining the quality mark this year in what has been one of the most challenging years we've faced. The process of self-assessment and external verification is one most organisations have welcomed to help strengthen their approaches, and it's something I would encourage all organisations to go through, regardless of your size or type of delivery. It says here that I've got to say a huge thank you to Andy Borsden from the EWC. So thanks, Andy, for all the work that he's undertaken on the quality mark, so we're able to share these successes with you today. I must also thank all the assessors who make this possible. Without you, we would not be able to deliver the quality mark, and I hope you find the role rewarding. If you want to know more about the quality mark, please get in touch with the contact details shown on the screen. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thanks everybody, and congratulations to everybody once again.
Good, thank you, Keith. Thank you so much. Thank you all for, well, congratulations to you all for winning these amazing awards. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Keith. Thank you so much for this morning and for that. Okay, so can I, at this point, offer our sincere thanks to the many presenters, of course, the contributors who have come forward to run these workshops at today's conference. There are some 30 of them involved. Their input is greatly appreciated, of course. Diolch i chi gyd am eich amser a'ch parodrwydd, of course, I gymeryd rhan. Thank you all. Now, let's move straight on then to our second set of workshops. Oh, before we do, don't forget the Twitter hashtag, okay? It's Youth Work Wales, neu yn y Gymraeg, wrth gwrs, gwaith ieuenctid Cymru. Don't forget, keep on tweeting any comments, any photos, anything of that nature, put on Twitter with those hashtags, that'd be wonderful. Okay, these afternoon workshops offer a further 8 topics for you to dive into. They're a little shorter, around 35 minutes each, felly 8 pwnc a tua hanner awr yr un. Now, please be aware of the 8 workshops. There are 2 that will only be running once. These are the sessions relating to youth work services and the media, and also the one about depression and anxiety in young people. If you would like to participate in either of these, please select it for this first workshop. After the workshop ends at about 2:25, you'll have about 10-15 minutes to network again and to chat. Please make sure you are back here on the stage at 2:50, no later than 2:40. Felly eto cyfle I rwydweithio ar ôl y gweithdai nesaf o gwmpas 5:22, a chyfiwch bod nôl gyda ni fan hyn ar y llwyfan Abertai am 20 munud I 3. As you did this morning, please click now on the Sessions tab, scroll down to the page to find and choose your first afternoon workshop, the yellow coloured buttons numbered 1 to 8, and click to enter that room. Pob lwc a mwynhewch. Thank you.